Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a Shopify app development API key. So these credentials are useful when you want to create a custom app or connect Shopify with another service. So first, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the bottom left corner, click on settings, then open apps and sales channels or apps depending on what appears on your account. Next, look for develop apps. If custom app development has not been enabled yet, Shopify may ask you to allow it first and simply follow the prompts to enable the option, then continue to the app development section. So from here, click create an app and enter a clear name for your application. Complete any additional setup details if Shopify asks for them, then create the app. So once the app is created, configure the API permissions it needs. This permissions control what information the app can access, such as products, orders, or customer data. Only select the permissions that are necessary for your app, and after setting up your permissions, tap Release to release the configuration. And once that is done, install the app if Shopify asks you to do so. Then open the API credentials section. So in here, you can find the API key along with other authentication details that may be needed for your integration. And make sure to keep these credentials private because they can provide access to your Shopify store. So avoid sharing them publicly or placing them somewhere other people can easily access. And that is how you can get a Shopify app development API key and prepare the credentials for your application. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.